Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Erica Loves Simple Cooking. Yes guys, so pray that you all are doing well. So guys, today I'm gonna make a vegetable soup. I'm gonna use some carrots, some pumpkin, wash and cut up already. The carrot is already washed. Some celery, some chocho with some Idaho potato and white yam. So I'm gonna make you some vegetable soup mix. This is chicken noodle soup mix, and I'm gonna put some coconut milk, guys. So come along guys with me on this journey of making some soup, guys. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna put the pumpkin. So guys, I'm gonna put all of these stuff and let them boil for a while until the water take on the color of the vegetable. Shredded carrots, guys. So alright guys, I'll check you back guys later. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna put in my yam, my white yam and my Idaho potato. Okay guys, so I'm gonna let all of this stay here and cook completely, almost dissolve out in the liquid. Yes guys, so there you go guys, I'm making some vegetable soup. I think the low soup there. I think the low soup. Everything I see. You want this getting too much?
Yeah. Too much for me.
That's too much?
Oh, we can get this.
Yes guys, so there you go, the soup guys. So guys, if you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share. So guys, I had some pinto bean in this soup also guys, because I need some body. So I put some dumpling and some pinto bean, and there you go, a green pepper, hot pepper guys. So this is nice and thick, and thyme guys, and some noodle mix. So there you go guys, there goes the vegetable soup with beans. Yes guys, so now I'm gonna check the soup. This is pinto bean soup guys with vegetable, squash, pumpkin, celery, pinto bean, chocho and Idaho potato. Seasoned with ginger, scallion and season mix, noodle soup mix. So guys, you have to keep stirring so make the soup get thicker. Just don't burst your pepper if you put pepper in your soup, guys. So this is a vegan meat soup because no meat. It's just pinto bean as protein, guys. Yes guys, let me take out the pepper. Because guys, if we burst this pepper in the soup, it's gonna be so spicy. So, and I don't want it to be spicy, so I take out the pepper, give it a stir so it doesn't get stuck in the pot or stick in the pot and burn. Yes guys, so there you go. Soup guys, meatless soup. So who said you can't cook soup without bean? Meat. Our meat is pinto bean. There you go guys, all finished. Yes guys, so I'm gonna take out some of the soup. Hot guys. Guys, there goes the soup. If you're still watching, please comment, subscribe and share, and thank you so much for your support, and take care of yourself until next time guys.